In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your product grid on Shopify. So first of all, you want to go into your online store. So what you want to do is go into apps, section store, and then find a grid. You can find one if you press free to here. You can see image gallery. You can download this one. I've already got this one downloaded, so I won't waste my time opening that up. So pick customize. As you can see, gallery. So those are my shoes. So I can delete these and I can organize this however I want. If I want to edit these photos, I can go down main image. You can choose all of these images here. So I can select an image. Sample that one. And that will appear there. And if you want to add more photos, you click on that specific one, that specific image, and then edit it here. If you want to remove your main stores, you can just go ahead and delete that and put that in its place. But yeah, that's how you do that, guys. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.